Find the equations of the tangent and the normal drawn from the point 6, 0 on the ellipse x square by 36 plus y square by 9 is equal to 1. Now this is the ellipse x square by 36 plus y square by 9 is equal to 1. On this ellipse you have a point which is 6, 0, and through 6, 0 you have drawn the tangent and you have also drawn the normal. You know that normal is always perpendicular to the tangent. You want to find the equations of tangent and normal to the ellipse. See, if the equation of tangent and normal to the ellipse are given or to be found, if they ask you to find the equation of tangent and normal to any curve, not only to the ellipse, to any curve, whether it is hyperbola or circle, whatever it is, we can use the method of calculus, differentiation. In differentiation, in application of derivatives, we have learnt tangents and normals as a concept. So how to find the equation of the tangent and normal? How did we find there? We used the equation y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1, where m is dy by dx at x1 comma y1. Here x1 comma y1 is 6, 0. So what we have to do is just find out dy by dx. That means differentiate the equation of the given curve. In this case, the given curve is ellipse. This method is applicable not only for ellipse. Remember, if you have been asked to find the equation of tangent and normal to any curve, that curve which you do not know what it is, whether it is ellipse, parabola, whatever it is, what you do is just simply differentiate the equation of the given curve, find dy by dx at the given point, and use the formula for normal tangent as y minus y1 equals dy by dx at x1 comma y1 into x minus x1, and for normal you just take the negative reciprocal of the slope with the same formula. So now differentiating with respect to x, 1 by 36 is constant. Now differentiate 2x, x square, you get 2x plus 1 by 9 into 2y into dy by dx is equal to 0. So 2y by 9 into dy by dx is equal to minus x by 18. 2 and 36 I cancel out. Minus x by 18. Therefore dy by dx is minus x by 18 divided by 2y by 9. That is equal to minus x by 18 into 9 divided by 2y. So here you can cancel. That is minus x divided by 4y. This is the value of dy by dx. But the tangent and normal are drawn through which point? 6, 0. Therefore, how much I should substitute? Dy by dx at x1 comma y1, that is at the given point, is minus x. X is how much? 6 divided by y. Y is how much? Now what is 6 by 0? What is 6 by 0? Anything by 0? Anything by 0 is 0? 0 by anything is 0. But anything by 0, undefined, or it is infinity. Okay? It is undefined or it is infinity. So what is the answer we conclude? The tangent and normal at 6, 0 are not defined. Just write that.